Hello students, welcome to this particular reminder video for the upcoming test which is going to start from this particular Saturday. I think that is 5th. Yes, 5th, which is the date on Saturday. Students, this is altogether a 9 MTP which I have prepared. In fact, students, first of all, let me say to you, many students queries and inquiries about this test series program. Many students were of the opinion that, sir, this test series that is being there, we are not yet fully prepared. Some students who were not in a position to clear it primarily in the last attempt of November 20, which just came out, they also said that, sir, can we get some more time? Students, please don't do that. I'm telling you one thing. You, whatever is your level of preparation, you just attend those particular paper. I'll tell you, at least 1 or 2 papers you'll feel a bit uncomfortable because you have to come out of your comfort zone. Why I'm saying so? Because just imagine, this 9 test paper is more like a practice for all of you. You do whatever the best that you can. Like first topic, which is going to be on this Saturday, for which you can write the paper till Sunday. First topic is what? Profit link deduction, PGBP, ICDS. Profit link deduction, PGBP, ICDS, and set off. These are the 4 topics which I have covered. Now, out of that, 21 primary question, I already have made the question. 21 is on the MCQ front, and these are the best MCQs. Primarily, also the latest MCQs which ICA has kept. That is one, and one was the 14 marks descriptive question. 14 marks descriptive question, students. I have prepared for all of you. A good set of adjustments has been covered, all so as to test you primarily onto the ultimate practice level of very important areas of the question that would be expected in the upcoming May attempt. So what will be the case? Now you'll attempt it to the best, whatever you can attempt it. Students, please do attempt it. In this particular context, please do attempt it. In this particular context, what will happen? Saturday or max on Sunday also you can write the paper. So the window is open from Saturday morning 10 o'clock to Sunday late night. You can write the paper. Monday at 9:30 p.m. at night, I'm going to discuss with you the papers for 1 hour. 1 hour paper discussion is going to happen, students. 1 hour. So what will happen is that in a way it will be like a revision. Again, you are revising through this particular the test papers and all with me. Now what happens, students, is that daily every week dose which is of topic after topic, so it goes in your mind completely, and that exactly is the entire plan. It will, I'm telling you, students, maybe what will happen, see the entire program of the test series. The first test series primarily which starts herein, the first test series which starts primarily first, second and the third one. The first one is about the PGBP. I have told you the topics. The second is about assessment procedure, partnership, assessment rectification, settlement commission, etc. Those procedural part. And the third one, students, is about what? The third test paper is in respect of the trust taxation partnership form, AMT. Now after that, the fourth one, maybe what will happen by the time many students who may have missed doing it properly first time, they will recover in the second time, because there is a grand paper that is on 4th, and the fourth paper is again would be consolidation of 1 to 3. So those who could not do it properly 1 to 3, at least they will have a redemption 4. But if you wait for 4, again the problem would be that even then in that case you will feel the urge of having one more. So that urge will now not get over, and that is the reason why you be in the process, do this particular test, whatever that way you have so far have studied it, and get into the revision mode. This way you will start hitting at least the grand test paper of 50 marks, which is the 4th paper. The 4th paper and the 9th paper is a grand paper which consolidates the entire thing. So that way, students, you will be preparing in a very solid manner, and I'm telling you, students, you'll see through it. Examination, I can tell you, it has been happened in the past, and definitely it is going to happen with you right now as well. Just hang in, primarily, I'm just in the description box, I'm giving you the link. Go to the link, register. This test series is completely free. Students, herein, take the advantage of it. Take the advantage of it. You will not get this particular benefit thereafter. There are some the practice batch, students. We are launching it primarily, for which the details of which I am going to share with you separately on the practice batch. For which students, those who are going for the practice batch tonight, we are having a grand seminar with all the top educators of Unacademy for our 1 month practice batch. This practice batch primarily is going to start from 12th for group 2. So you can primarily, I'll just share with the details of that in my upcoming video. But this is about the test series because it's going to start now this week. So please ensure that, students, you all enroll for this one, which is free. Okay, see you then, friends. All the best. Thank you.